This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. From the technical point of view, on the daily time frame chart, it's not much to discuss because yesterday you could see market has formed this candle. It has trying to move high and return it back down, hit this target. In general, guys, we have discussed this situation already, that market stands at the agreement resistance, and it would be great if market will show some retracement right back down to retest this 1296 area. That will let us to take the long position. But right now I would like to mention the new data on the spot market. It's very interesting that the SPDR fund, the world's largest gold spot market fund that replicate the action on the gold market because it invests only in the physical gold. So it has the storage where it placed the amount of the gold that is corresponds to the assets value that investors put into the fund. So they do not invest in any other commodities and any other assets. And this is the world's largest gold fund. And it reports on inflow another 5, almost 6 tons yesterday. So on 2 days in the current week, so Monday and Tuesday, the fund has increased the storage for approximately 10 tons to the 796 tons. That's really tremendous inflow compares to the dynamic of the assets that we have seen previously. And those of you guys who read our weekly researches know what I'm speaking about, because we very often mention the SPDR funds and its storage value in our research. And you know that in the recent months, fund mostly reports on the outflow, and in fact the assets were decreased as low as approximately 770 tons. That's really very low. And the inflow of the 10 tons in the 2 sessions, that's just a tremendous dynamic. And that means that investors positively have the positive view on the gold market in the nearest perspective. And right now, market dynamic is supported by real money, real inflows. We already have talked about this in a recent weekly research when we have saw, and we have discussed this yesterday, when we have seen the growing, not only the net long position in the futures, but also the growing of the open interest. It means that the new contracts have been opened in the recent week on the gold futures. And it means that new money, the new investors are coming on the gold market. And if we recall that in August the seasonal bearish trend will come to an end, that could let us to watch on the gold market from the absolutely different view. And it will be great if market will give us opportunity with this possible retracement down. At least from the technical point of view, this looks reasonable, and odds suggest that it should happen. Well, I don't know whether something will happen in the nearest couple of sessions, because mostly market expects the non-farm payrolls data on Thursday in the European Central Bank meeting. Also Yellen will speak on financial stability on the press conference that will be managed by the International Monetary Fund. Well, maybe here also will be some impact on the gold market, I do not know. But right now, probably we should be ready for events only on Thursday. In the very short-term perspective, although on the daily chart we did not see any interesting that we still do not discuss everything we have discussed here. But on the intraday charts, if you'll take a look at the follower chart, we see this flat action after this really fast candle to the upside. This butterflies, although market has hit 127 extension, but I can't exclude the possibility that market could show another small action to the upside, just for another $5 to the upside with 1335, 1337, by two reasons. The first is that this approaching right to the 127 target was fast, and usually when the market approaches fast to the 127, after some pause it could really continue to the 1618. That's very often happens with the butterflies. Second, take a look at the flat action here. So although market has hit the significant targets and the resistance on the daily time frame chart, action stands flat. That also could indicate some hidden power and the ability of market to show move to the upside. Maybe market even will form here some bullish stop grabber in the nearest hours. That's for our time frame chart. If it will do this, well, that just will give us another confirmation and hint on the possible action right to the 1337 area. On the hourly chart, this looks like the white triangle that in general is the continuation pattern, and it's really fast action right to this triangle. So as you can see, guys, chances from the technical perspective on the further upward continuation, at least to the 1337, 1340 maybe area, it's really nice. So probably the technical picture shows that market really could reach these levels, because in general situation on the intraday chart stands moderately bullish. Maybe this will happen by some extreme volatility on the Thursday. So maybe market just will show the spike up and return it back down, depending on the data. But anyway, the currently intraday charts indicate on possible upward continuation, because we have the bullish triangle, we have some sort of the bullish action here, fast action, flat standing here, indicates the possible bullish dynamic pressure that could lead market here. Appearing of the grabber, if it will appear, also will confirm that. So that's probably that we should wait for. It's possible still upward continuation to the 1337, 1340 area. After that, maybe market will show the retracement that we would like to get, but this probably will happen only on the next week, if it will happen at all. But anyway, from the fundamental point of view and the situation that we see right now in the gold market, with the close of the nearest end of the seasonal bearish trend, the gold market really could become very active and interesting in the nearest perspective.